Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is another fantastic stamping plate, CJS LC24, called Hello Fall from Clear Jelly Stamper, which was included in a recent purchase from Nail.Supplies, the UK stockist for Clear Jelly Stamper. I'll leave all the information on where you can purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I'll also be using my favourite scraper along with my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I'll be using the clear head as I always do. But I'm also going to be using this new stamper. I'm not sure how I'm going to get on filming with it, as it has a huge dot right in the middle. I have 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and to start with I'll be using this light blue one, and I'll be using 3 different Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polishes, which are the white and then 2 different blues. I'm going to be showing you how I created one of my photo swatches using the cloud and rain images. Any excess I will remove with my lint roller. This is just my preferred way of working. Once I've laid that, I'm then going to come in with the lightest blue to finish the first part. Now, I'm not sure if these designs are right or not, but I think they look great though. And I'll then come in and finish off with the metallic blue. And I really like this, I think it's cool. For the second swatch, I'm going to be using this nude nail tip, and I'm going to be swatching this large acorn image. I'm going to start with the leaves, and I'll be using a fairly new dark green Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polish. I'm also going to be using my larger stamper for this design. It can be quite hard to know just where to place some of the images, like these little acorns. It can be a bit of a guessing game, I've found. Now, the acorns, I've used a dark brown stamping polish, and then for the outline I've actually used black, and it has however made the acorns a little difficult to see. I am looking for a Clear Jelly Stamper light brown stamping polish. For my third swatch, I'm going to use a white nail tip along with a dark green, a red and the brown stamping polishes, and I'm going for this berry tree design at the top here. Now, it wasn't until I'd finished and I was taking pictures that I realised that I'd done this the wrong way round. It's actually upside down. To be fair though, I don't think it matters too much. I have done this before where I've stamped upside down and it didn't matter, to be honest. Some you can get away with, some you can't. Now, I didn't quite get the berries in the right place, but it's a gorgeous design though. It's definitely one I want to use in the late summer autumn season. For the fourth swatch, I'm going to use a yellow nail tip, and I'm going to be using an orange, a white and again the brown stamping polishes for the owl design. These little animal designs are just so cute. I will be bringing CJS LC25 to my channel, and these 2 plates work so well together. I'm not sure I'm liking this stamper, it's very hard. I have been looking at the Clear Jelly Stamper Crystal Stamper double-ended with bling stamper, that's a mouthful. If anyone has this one, could you leave me a comment on what you think to it? Is it a good stamper to purchase? Just sort of some general ideas, because I'm really looking at that one. And I love this little guy, he's so cute. And then here they are all together. So let's now move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created. CJS LC24 Hello Fall is just full of fantastic designs. From the cute little animals to the leaves and acorns, then onto the weather images. CJS LC24 is just perfect for the autumn season. But then again, some of these images I would use all year round. In total, I've created 31 swatches. There are a few that have 2 designs on them, so this really shows you just how packed it really is. The stamper I've used is the large stamper I used at the beginning of the video for the swatches. Now, the stamping polishes that I have used for mostly all of the plate are actually the clear jelly stamper polishes that I have. The recent clear jelly stamper stamping polish haul that I uploaded to my channel very recently, they have really helped me when doing these layering images. I have also just taken delivery of 6 more, which will also be coming to my channel as well. I have become quite addicted to purchasing clear jelly stamper products. These really large designs at the bottom, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with them. Now obviously, because it's clear jelly stamper, I would expect to layer them, which is what I've done with them, but I'm not sure they look quite right, especially the trees. Now I am loving that my layering has become a little better than it was 2 or 3 months ago. But I also don't think I own any stamping plates with designs like these. I definitely know that I don't have any welly boots or mushroom toadstool images. I am excited for the autumn season to come, even though we're only just in spring, so I can create a few manis. But saying that, these leaves could also be used for spring manis too, and these animals are just adorable. But how gorgeous is CJS LC24? I really do think that this one could be very popular. For the mani, I decided to go with sort of a weather mani. So I used a light bluey grey nail polish, and I stamped using 3 clear jelly stamper stamping polishes, which were number 2, the white, number 7, the light blue, and number 10, the darker blue. Now I am super excited about this mani, as I've never layered stamped using my non-dominant hand onto my dominant hand. Before, it would have something kind of kept well away from, but I am so chuffed with how this has turned out. It was definitely easier than I thought it was going to be, and this mani is very apt for the type of weather we're currently having in the UK. All of my swatches and mani will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. Also, make sure you check out Clear Jelly Stamper's social media. There is loads of inspiration over there. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS LC24. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.